Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about some easy freelancing skills and you can earn easy money through it. So in today's video, I will teach you about how you can design a business card and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I click on Fiverr and I click on this, and as you can see, the Fiverr is open. So fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can send your services online. So I searched for business card and 22,000 plus gigs available, and let's analyze one of the gig. So I will create luxury business card design. That's great. Yes, it's look good. Good. So I will teach you how you can create these type of business cards in very easy steps. And he in basic he charged $20, in pro standard he charged $40, in premium he charged $65. So you can easily create like these business cards. So let's go towards our designing part, and I'm going to design these business card with the help of Canva. So here I search for business card. In case if you don't know about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on Canva, so you can learn Canva from there. So I click on this one, and like I want to design a business card for travel company, so I click on travel here. So it show me different templates related to travel. So yeah, I like this one, this look good. So this is the front page. So these are the details. You can if you want to change the logo, so go to elements, and here I search for travel because I want to change the logo. Graphics. So I'm just teaching you how you can place logo here. uh, you have your own logo or client's logo, so you place logo here, or you can change these like company name ABC, it's a dummy name. So you can get details from client and put it here, like address of client, phone number of client, his website, his email, and etc. You can also change logo from here, or if you don't want to like the style, you can also change the template styles like this one, but it is your own choice. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.